Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of stuffed bell peppers. Also in this video I am sharing a small clip of the cherry tree with cherries. It's the same cherry tree which had blossomed in the beginning of April. On the side you can see that picture full of flowers, but now it's fully covered with leaves and cherries. If you like the video, then do share and subscribe. If you want me to make more such videos, then do let me know in the comment box below. It's very easy to make stuffed bell peppers, so let's get started. To make stuffed bell peppers, first we'll wash and clean the bell peppers. We'll cut the top portion of the bell pepper and keep it aside. With the help of a knife or a spoon, we will de-seed the bell pepper. We can cut the boiled potatoes into small pieces or we can mash them also. Now in a kadai or a wok, we'll take 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Stirring it continuously, we'll roast it on medium flame till it turns brown. It took 5 minutes for me for this process. List of all the ingredients is also there in the description box below. Now let's make the stuffing for the bell peppers. In a pan on medium flame, we'll heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. We'll also add the chopped onions and cook it till they become translucent. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and mix it well. Here I am using half cup of frozen peas. If you have fresh ones, you can use them. We'll let this cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes. We'll also add salt to taste and mix it. We'll add the roasted chickpea flour. Again we'll mix it. We'll also add the aamchur powder and the garam masala. We'll add the boiled potato pieces in this. We can use mashed potatoes also. So our stuffing mixture is almost ready. We'll just sprinkle 2 tablespoons of water on this and turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool. Once the mixture cools, we'll add a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix it nicely. Now we'll fill the stuffing inside the bell peppers. With the help of a spoon, we'll press the stuffing deep inside the bell peppers. In a similar manner, we will fill all the other bell peppers. I have also used grated cheese on top of the stuffing. This gives a very good taste to the bell peppers. Now on medium flame, we'll heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a kadai or a wok. Once it's heated, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt over the flame and carefully we will place the bell peppers in the kadai. We'll sprinkle 2 tablespoons of water and cover this and let it cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes. After every 2 minutes, we will tilt the bell peppers so they are cooked evenly from all sides. Try this recipe at least once. You can have stuffed bell peppers with roti, naan, parathas, puris. Our stuffed bell peppers are ready. Let's plate them. Enjoy with your friends and family. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.